How to add Etsy reviews to your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add Etsy reviews to your Shopify store. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the online store here. You can click on it. And then in the online store page, you can go to edit theme here. You can click on it. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor, as you can see. So let's say I want to add the add service here in the home page. So you can click add section here in the template tab. Click add section, and then you can sort custom for custom liquid. This one, click on it. Now you have to put the code here. So in order to get the code, you can go to elfsite.com. You can create an account, and then you can click explore widgets here, and then you will find a lot of widgets here. You can go to reviews in the categories tab, and then you will find Etsy reviews here. Click on it, and as you can see, you can create Etsy reviews widget for free. Click on it, and you will find the template or the style. So you can choose whatever you want. So let's say I want to choose this one. It's simple. Then just click continue, and then you can connect your source. Then you can edit here. You can change the style, the layout, and other things here. You can explore more, and after that you can just click add, and then this is the preview. If you think all good, you can just click publish, and then you can select the plan. I'm gonna choose the free one, and then you will get the code here. Now you can just click copy the code, and then go to your website editor again and paste the code here, and then you can wait for a few seconds until it appears. So this is the preview of your Etsy reviews. So you can try another layout. And if you think this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.